How SpaceX humiliated the entire rocket industry. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Future Focus. Today's video will be all about how SpaceX humiliated the whole rocket industry. Are you guys excited for this video to start? I don't want to make you wait. But before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to our channel to never miss out on more videos we post. So let's dive right into the video. SpaceX was founded in 2002 by the CEO of Tesla Motors, Elon Musk. This spacecraft was made to reduce the transportation costs of space and to enable the colonization of Mars. It has manufactured several rocket engines, Falcon 9, Falcon Heavy launch vehicles, crew spacecraft, Dragon cargo, and Starlink communications satellites. All this makes this spaceship the world's first spaceship to take humans to Mars. SpaceX did something that no other rocket industry could do. Even the number of employees who worked on it is 9,500, which is enormous. Its achievement includes the first privately funded liquid propellant rocket to reach orbit and the first private company to successfully launch to orbit, launch, and recover a spacecraft, the first vertical takeoff and vertical propulsive landing for an orbital, the first company to send a spacecraft to the International Space Station. SpaceX is also the first company to send astronauts to the International Space Station and to orbit. And that is why SpaceX is that spacecraft that actually humiliated other rocket industries, countries, and even scientists. The most amazing fact is SpaceX won the actual supply contracts and demonstration from NASA for the International Space Station. The company is even planning to do a first orbital test flight in the coming months, launching from Texas only. With this project at Elon Musk, he can literally see the future of his dreams coming to reality. Not only for Elon Musk, but also for many scientists and countries. This dream is coming to reality, which only SpaceX fulfilled and not other rocket industries. So many people were trying to make a spacecraft like this, so that humans could travel to Mars one day, but they were failing again and again. But this dream of everyone in the world is fulfilled by one person, Elon Musk. With 3 words, Starship fully stacked. SpaceX is also the world's most powerful operational rocket and has achieved a business feat of sorts. Hence, SpaceX is in close competition with Jeff Bezos, Blue Origin, Amazon, with similar motives to disrupt space travel. SpaceX is still ahead of Blue Origin, making it the only company to humiliate the other industries. It is the first federal agency that has ever authorized a company to provide broadband services through low-orbit satellites. SpaceX is making space cheaper. As a result, the company decided to do it first, making other rocket industries jealous. SpaceX advertised a launch price of $57 million for Falcon 9 in 2012. In an interview, Elon Musk said that the Falcon 9's first stage accounts for 75% of total launch costs, or $46.5 million. Unlike other companies, SpaceX hasn't signed the patent to keep their things secret and don't reveal it to them by doing this. From scratch, SpaceX has also built its entire supply chain, from rocket engines to the electronic components used in its rockets. In this process, it has innovated in processes and technology. Maybe the decline in the cost of specific components, such as electronics and sensors, helped the company reduce prices. The launch of its first reusable rocket in recent years might help to bring down rocket launch costs further. The more times a rocket is reused, the cheaper its launch costs become. Elon Musk's plan to send humans to Mars is just one small step closer to bring humanity to its next giant leap, or maybe just throwing expensive cars into space. Let's talk a bit about its first orbital Starship test flight. It is said that the first orbital test flight of the Starship will have a booster landing in the Gulf of Mexico and the Starship landing in the ocean near Hawaii to avoid the risk of any breaks in the rocket during its landing. It is written that this Super Heavy booster will shut down after 169 seconds of its launch, and then the Starship would separate safely in 2 seconds in the upper stage. It will fly back not to Boca Chica, but its landing is fixed in the Gulf of Mexico, and it will touch down in 495 seconds after its liftoff. And when the Starship reaches orbit after 521 seconds of its liftoff, the engine will automatically shut down. It also utilizes 3 Falcon 9 rockets, with each of them having 9 Merlin engines. The Raptors, which are installed in it, are designed in such a manner that delivers more than twice the thrust of each Merlin. Isn't the whole concept interesting? The history of SpaceX and its achievements is prevalent, which is why it is always in media coverage. All this makes SpaceX different from other rocket industries and actually humiliated them with its achievement, which nobody could ever do even after trying so hard. We all are looking forward to this history-making achievement of Elon Musk. With this, we come to the end of today's video. We will be bringing more interesting videos for you all. Be sure to subscribe to the channel so that you never miss out, and share this video with your friends as well. Thanks for watching.